Hello everyone, so today we are going to be making bird feeders. This one is a bit tricky, so I recommend grades 2 and above do it. We have another bird feeder for younger grades. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to lay down about 10 small popsicle sticks on the ground for your base. Try to get them as even as possible. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to put a strip of glue down across those popsicle sticks and lay another popsicle sticks on them. And repeat with the other side. Then you're going to add a dot of glue to the popsicle sticks you just put down and put your new popsicle sticks on top of that. You're going to repeat this process until you only have 2 popsicle sticks left. You don't have to get the popsicle sticks perfect, but try your best to get them as close to each other as you can. This will ensure the birds have lots of space to eat. The next thing you're going to do is you can take off all the little strings that the hot glue left. Just be careful because some of them might be warm. Then you're going to take one of your strings and you're going to tie it in a double knot in one of the corners of your bird feeder. Then you're going to bring it to the opposite corner and tie it in a knot there as well. Should make a little loop like that, and repeat that step with your other string. Your next step is you're going to hot glue that string down. This just ensures that your bird feeder is going to be a bit more stable and the strings won't come off. Now you're going to glue your last 2 hot sticks on. Be careful you don't hot glue the strings down as well. This helps to secure your bird feeder even more. Now it's time to color your bird feeder. You can color it however you want. I decided to do the sky with some grass and a sun because I just really like being outside in the summer. But I want you to color it however you want. You can color the back, the front, the sides. It does not matter. It's up to you. Now, you can bring your bird feeder outside and add your seed outside. That way you don't have to worry about spilling any. You are now finished. There's my bird feeder hanging outside my house. I hope you enjoyed the project.